Hi, it's Mark at sunny Warwickshire, Broadlane, Alcester, and today I'm going to show you this really smart Sprite Major 4 EB end bedroom. It is a one owner from new Caravan, and the previous owner took the liberty of adding an external gas point and an external power point, which are not standard on the Sprite Caravan. It also comes complete with an auto engage motor mover. So really nice, tidy Caravan to explore the inside of. And that sound of rain on the roof is wonderful to any Caravanner. It has got very bright curtains, nice subdued upholstery, very quick and easy black outlines, and fly screen. Panoramic roof light and Hecky roof light. Kitchen area comes with a really thick, good quality worktop with the extension as well. Mixer tap and sink. Fridge, obviously, microwave, cupboards. Has 3 gas burners on the hob as well as a grill and oven. Come through the cupboard, and there's Gary on the camera, into the washroom, which goes across the middle of the Caravan. So it does have your toilet, it has your sink and a walk-in shower, and then into the bedroom. If you come in the other side, Gary, this has got a Virgin never slept on brand new mattress. Underneath the bed, plenty of storage space. You also have a television point and all the normal lighting, as well as a roof light on the top. So, this is a Sprite Major 4 EB, available to view at Broadlane, Alcester, 01789 763 432 and B49 5QD for your sat nav. Thank you.